6 of 68 government MPs with a spine, we can stand on the right side of history.
That is completely unacceptable to make that statement. Withdraw it and apologise.
No. Mr. Speaker, I guess at this point in time the question really has to be asked, what words are left? We have libraries and libraries and libraries worth of evidence and research and data that tells us that what is happening in Palestine and has been happening for the last 76 years is ethnic cleansing. It is apartheid. It is genocide. And then there are the live streams that are now being delivered to all of our cell phones 24/7 over the last better part of 2 years. Mr. Speaker, my question for this place is, what the hell is the point of our jobs? Because so far all I have heard from contributions is the blame game. New Zealanders, Mr. Speaker, the world, Mr. Speaker, deserves so much better than that. We hear from members of the government and from the Prime Minister in response to our questions today that this is all just a matter of strongly held views, apparently on both sides. But, Mr. Speaker, genocide is a fact. We asked the Prime Minister today what the harm could possibly be of recognising in the most basic sense Palestinian statehood. And frankly, Mr. Speaker, he could not answer the question. Instead, in the face of 500,000 people being consciously and intentionally starved to death after being mercilessly carpet bombed and sniped as they line up for food aid, the Prime Minister decided to appeal once again to Hamas. Speaker, then there's just the bald-faced facts. We are a laggard, we are an outlier, and it is not only appalling in the face of this genocide and of the merciless slaughter of these innocent people after having been made refugees in their own land, but we are one of the very few countries in the world who so far refuse to acknowledge the absolute bare minimum. Speaker, I will reiterate my call for the government to pick up our unlawful occupation of Palestine sanctions bill and to sanction Israel for its war crimes. If we find 6 of 68 government MPs with a spine, we can stand on the right side of history.
That is completely unacceptable to make that statement. Withdraw it and apologise.
No.
Then leave the House for the rest of the week.
Happily.